In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your transaction history in QuickBooks Online, a vital step in effectively managing your finances. Whether you're a small business owner or just managing your personal finances, understanding your transaction history is crucial for maintaining a firm grip on your budget and ensuring everything is accounted for. Let's kick things off by logging into QuickBooks Online. To begin, open up your Chrome browser. In the address bar, type in the QuickBooks Online URL and press enter. Once the site has loaded, you'll encounter a login page where you can enter your username and password. In case you've forgotten your credentials, there's a convenient Forgot Password option to help you reset them. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all your bookkeeping tasks. With that foundation set, let's delve into viewing your transaction history. You have two prominent approaches to explore: through an account overview or via reports. If you're opting to view through an account, start by clicking on Accounting in the menu on the left-hand side. This action will bring you to the Chart of Accounts section. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your accounts, ranging from checking and savings to credit cards and expense accounts. To review specific transactions, select the account of interest. By clicking on View Register or Run Report next to your chosen account, you'll uncover a full list of transactions linked to that account. On the other hand, you can access your transaction history through the Report section. Again, on the left-hand menu, select Reports. Utilize the search feature to locate a report entitled Transaction List by Date. Once found, click on it. You'll be prompted to choose a date range and apply any other filters that align with your needs. After setting your parameters, click Run Report to generate a comprehensive list of transactions within your specified time frame. This option is especially useful for customizing your search to suit specific details you might have in mind. Once you've brought up your transaction list, you can refine your search even further using additional filters and search tools. QuickBooks provides the flexibility to filter by various criteria, including date, transaction type, payee, and category, making it effortless to narrow down your search. Moreover, if you wish to retain a physical copy of these transactions, QuickBooks offers a convenient option to export the list to Excel, enabling you to manipulate and print the data as needed. Take the opportunity to thoroughly review each transaction's details. By clicking on any transaction, a window will open, revealing all key information such as amounts, categories, and any notes associated with that transaction. This feature is invaluable for ensuring precision and making sure everything is properly logged. And there you have it, a clear pathway to checking your transaction